You do not have to buy something from the Kikoff store every month, but what they are going to require that you do is you buy something and then they take a small amount of that where you're paying it off every month. So you don't have to buy something every month. I bought something and I just paid $2 per month until it's paid off. They have things on there where it will last a year, last 5 months. You just buy something that's there and then you pay a small amount every month so that they can report to the credit bureaus. But you do not have to buy something every month, and I do not suggest that at all. Now, I have my Kikoff account here already, so let's go ahead and check out my Kikoff account. So this right here is actually my installment account. So let's go back to the store. So this is my credit account right here for the store. My balance right now, a statement balance is $9. I'm about to have a payment on my account. Now, technically, if I'm paying $2 per month, this probably is going to last me for 4 to 5 months. So what I suggest is you go to that Kikoff store and then you'll see different things that you can do. So you can do the 10-month plan. You can go ahead and get like one of the ebooks that they have here, and I will try to find one that's like a low amount per month. So this one is $4.22 per month. I like that. Let me see the other ones that they have. I think that may be the best one, and it just seems like it's cheaper. So the estimated monthly payment is $5. So you're paying $5 a month for 1 month for this one. Extend 1 month of history up. I don't like that. So let's look at the extension. So if you guys know for sure you want to have it, you guys can do like this one right here, the credit service, which is an 18-month plan. You guys can definitely do that one because I would extend it for 18 months. Before, with these ebooks, if you look at some of my other videos on Kikoff, they had it where you just buy an ebook that's $10. You buy one that's $20, and then you just pay $2 per month, which is where I'm at now. So this is very, very new. So you don't necessarily have to buy something. You can just buy how long you want it to be extended. I don't think I'm going to buy anything because I don't need them to report for me. I got this account really to show you guys, and I just don't see myself paying $5 per month to them for them to report a $500 account. Like, I'm good on that. And then after I stop paying, I'm gonna let you guys know if they keep reporting or what it looks like after that, because I don't want to pay on it monthly. Like I said, to just get something where they're going to do like a 10-month extension, 14-month extension, 12-month extension, 2 months, whatever you want to do, and then it's going to extend it out for you guys for that amount of months. Extend by 0 months. You're paying $5 per month. Yeah, I'll pass on that. But if I had to do this and I wanted to do it, I would just do a 12-month and just call it a day. So I'll pay on for 12 months. But I don't like this utilization. So I would probably not. Now I'm looking at that. Don't do that. I wouldn't, because I don't like how they doing that utilization. See more. Do they have some for like 6 months? Some 2 months, basically. Yeah, I would probably just do 2 months, do a 2 month, do a 2 month. Just come in here and keep doing that. Because I don't like the utilization. You want to keep this utilization as low as you can get it. Like, look, if you do 18 months, your utilization gonna be at 14%, and technically you want under 5%. So this can really hurt your credit. And I'm gonna make a separate video on this because this can really hurt your credit. So be warned about things like this, because that utilization is going to be wild and not that good for you. It's best to keep it under that 5%. So I would just extend it out by 2 months, by 2 months, by 2 months, and set an alarm like this. Hey Siri, set a reminder for me to set up another Kikoff account in 2 months.
Okay, added.
She said, and today is March 14th. She's going to tell me May 14th to do it. And then don't say Kikoff account. Say to buy something from the Kikoff store in 2 months. And then you go in there and buy something. When that alarm go off, you stop, drop, and roll. You stop and get something. But do not get that 18 months because your utilization won't be bad. I always tell people, try to have your utilization under 5%, at 5% or below, to really help you guys. So keep